Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Sherita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sherita. In today's video, we have a clean and decorate with me bedroom video. You don't have to change out your comforter to get a different look. We're going to be adding black and gold to the space just to add a little color and a little glam to this space. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Today's video is being sponsored by HelloFresh. I'll share with you what I had last night for dinner. Please stay tuned. So I use Method Daily Wood Cleaner. There is another brand I ran out of and I just got my refill. So I'll be sharing that in my next video. But I like this one as well. Today's video is being sponsored by HelloFresh. HelloFresh delivers pre-portioned meal kits straight to your door. And in my box today, we have the spinach caprese salad, the fancy French onion beef tenderloin. I have already cooked all of these. By the time you see this video, I will be able to tell you how delicious they were. And I also have in this box the pork katsu, and that's what we're going to be cooking today, this pork katsu. And today we are going to be preparing the pork katsu, and this recipe calls for you to use your oven, but today we're going to be using the air fryer. So the only thing I recommend if you're going to use the air fryer, I would go with the lower cooking time. So the cooking time for the carrots was 18 to 20 minutes in the oven, so I did 18 minutes in the air fryer. They were delicious. If you know me, you know the one thing that I hate doing is going to the grocery store. It's more of a task for me. I like going to the home decor stores. I mean, the furniture stores, things like that. But I like cooking. I just hate going grocery shopping, you know. And with prices of food going up, I can definitely see the value in using HelloFresh. Also, HelloFresh meal options are cheaper than takeout and faster than delivery. The meals are quick and easy with little to no prep. And you all know I've used HelloFresh several times in the past for convenience. And I also like to try new and different meals. And I have not been disappointed. All right, so let's go ahead and cut up this chicken, and then we're going to plate our food. And I'm just going to add the toppings to my plate, and my husband is still at work, so I'm going to go ahead and put everything on his plate except his toppings. And when he comes home from work, his food up, we'll put his toppings on, and he'll get the same enjoyment that I experienced from my plate. So this was really delicious, y'all. Those carrots were like eating a sweet potato without all of the calories, of course. So I did go ahead and cook the other two meals for our second and third night. So on the second night, we had the fancy French onion beef tenderloin, and it was so delicious. And on the third night, we had the spinach caprese salad. It was delicious as well, and I was not disappointed, and you won't be disappointed either. So use my code Sherita50. You get 50% off plus your first box ships free by going to HelloFresh.com and entering my code, which is Sherita50. I'll leave the link and the code in the description. All right, so now that we finished cleaning the space, let's go ahead and start decorating. All right, everyone, we are coming to the end of this video. Thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you like these types of videos and you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. And thank you, HelloFresh, for sponsoring today's video. Use my code Sherita50 to save 50% off your first order plus free shipping. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to like, share, and comment. I'll see you in the next one.